Good morning, children. Our today's topic is transgenic animals. Transgenic animals can be defined as the animals in which the DNA is manipulated to possess and expression or express an extra foreign gene. So, animals that have had their DNA manipulated to pass it on and to express as foreign gene, and those are called as transgenic animal. Example of transgenic animals are rats, rabbits, pigs, sheep, cows, fish, etc. For most of them, at about 95% of transgenic animals are mice. Now the question arises that why do the transgenic animals are transformed or why are they required? So number one, transgenic animals are transformed, or you can say their DNA is manipulated just to study the normal physiology and development. Transgenic animals can be designed to follow the study of genes which is introduced into them, how those genes are regulated, how they affects the normal function and the development of the body, and how the other factors of the body are affected by the introduced gene. Suppose a gene is introduced into the body, then how the insulin growth factor is influenced by that introduced gene can be studied when the animal is transgenic. In the transgenic animals, we can even also observe the biological effects of the introduced gene and all other information about the factors which plays the important role in the body's growth and development, how those factors are affected by the introduced gene, that all can be studied in the transgenic animals. Then second is study of diseases. So various animals are transformed, or they are being acting as a models for investigating the treatments of various diseases. These transgenic models are existing for many human diseases like cancer, like cystic fibrosis, rheumatoid arthritis, and Alzheimer's diseases. Now we are here coming to the most important, you can say, the advantages of the transgenic animals. So transgenic, and from the transgenic animals we can obtain various biological products of our desirable, or you can say of human welfare. So transgenic animal that produce biological product, they can be created by the introduction of the genes which codes for that product. If we want a product from the animal, then we are to introduce that particular gene which is coding for that product. Okay. For example, here they have given that human protein alpha 1 antitrypsin. This protein is actually useful for treating the emphysema, and this can be obtained by the transgenic animals. Similarly, the phenylketonuria disease is also, the attempt is also made for the treatment of this disease. After that it comes another transgenic animal, that is cow rosy, and this cow rosy is very much specific, that because in its milk the human protein enriched milk is there, and that milk contains 2.54 gram of human protein required for human body, that is 2.4 gram per liter, and that milk contained alpha lactoalbumin, and that is nutritionally rich and balanced product for human babies. So these all are the biological product obtained from transgenic animal. Then vaccine safety. If a vaccine is being formed, then that vaccine is to be tested over the transgenic animal before it is to be applied over the human beings. So transgenic mice are being developed for using the testing the safety of the vaccine before they are used on humans. and these are being used to test the safety of the, for example, of polio vaccine, and these are being first tested on transgenic animal and then on human beings. Now we are here coming to the last one, that is chemical safety testing method. For this, the toxicity of any drugs or safety testing can be done on transgenic animal. For that, first the animal will be made sensitive for various toxic substances, and then those toxic substances are applied over that animal, and then we can test the safety of that animal from that drug, or how it that drug affects on that animal, so that can be tested, so that these animals which are transgenic are very useful for the above purposes. Thank you.